Good day, everybody. Another meal idea for today. This morning I have made an omelette. Simple omelette with some scrambled eggs, with some bacon bits in there, and zucchini. And then I topped it with some cheese and these, I forget what they're called, sweet something tomatoes. They're like candy. With cheddar cheese and parmesan cheese on top of that. That's how you do. Okay, it's not the most beautiful, but it's an idea. All right, y'all. Make sure you go out and find your joy today. It's a beautiful day. In California, anyways. Okay, talk to you guys later.